So you might already have a course business on Teachable.com, or you're curious and want to try them out. Well, did you know that you get to choose what you use as your landing page? So stick around to find out more. In today's video, I will be discussing the differences between your school's homepage and the course sales page. So let's dive in. So when you launch your school and you've created your first course, you end up your homepage has your one featured course. So the user can click on your featured course to go to the sales page. Once they're on the sales page, then once they decide to enroll, they can go ahead and enroll. I'm going to show you how to customize each of these pages. I'm just logging into my admin area and I'm going to Site. So this image here ends up being the background image on your school's homepage. This overlay here, it makes the white text easier to see. I'll just save and show you what that looks like. So that might be a little bit too dark. So you can just play with that to get it where you think it looks best. There, so that's about 60%. I like that, so I'm going to go with that. So here's my featured course, and there's no image there. So you go to Courses, click on the course, click on Pages, and then edit your sales page. And this is where you upload. They provide images, but you can upload your own image. All right, so what I wanted to show you next is how to set up your sales page as being your landing page for your school. So right now, current state or the default is that they have to click on the featured course. But if you go to Navigation and Homepage Settings, you set once a person is logged out of your school, what will they see? So instead of Homepage, you put the course sales page. That way there, whenever someone is going to your school now, they're going to go directly to your one and only course offering. Well, I hope you liked the video and got something out of it. I'll just point out that within the description within this video, you'll find an affiliate link so you can sign up for Teachable and give it a try for free. Let me know how that works out for you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.